perfect man, to the measure of the stature of the fullness of Christ, that he would grant you, according to the riches of his glory, to be strengthened with might through his Spirit in the inner man, endeavoring to keep the unity of the Spirit in the bond of peace, and that he might reconcile them both to God in one body through the cross, thereby putting to death the enmity. I am crazy for you too. You are in my arms, created by God Almighty. Now therefore, our God, we thank thee and praise thy glorious name. Our days on earth are as a shadow, and there is none abiding. I know also, my God, that thou triest the heart, and hast pleasure in uprightness. As for me, in the uprightness of my heart, I have willingly offered all these things, and now I have seen with joy thy people which are present here, to offer willingly unto thee. Now our God, we give you thanks and praise for your glorious name, how that by revelation he made known to me the mystery, as I have briefly written already. Dance me to the end of love, both of us unique in love, dance me to the end until I am safely in your arms. Yours, O Lord, is the greatness and the power and the glory and the majesty and the splendor, for everything in heaven and earth is yours. Yours, O Lord, is the kingdom. You are exalted as head over all. I am your vision inside and out. No one can love you more. That is why I am crying inside for you all. I am here to wipe away your tears, hold your heart in my hand, and to take away your pain. O Lord our God, all this we have prepared to build thee. For thine holy name cometh thine hand, and is all thine own. The universe praises your name. Jules says, my love is too strong to tear away. All the things that you are, she needs to be also. All the things that she is, you have to be also. I believe that's the end. I believe I've gone through all 7 pages. So hopefully all these videos come together really nice. Thank you.